What if I told you there are brand new passive income ideas for 2025 that no one's talking about yet, and they could help you earn money while you sleep? If you're tired of hearing the same old advice about rental properties and dividend stocks, this video is for you. By the end, you'll walk away with 7 creative and actionable ideas to start building passive income streams today. And trust me, the last one might just blow your mind, so don't miss it. All right, let's dive right in. The first new passive income idea is AI-powered digital products. Thanks to tools like ChatGPT and Canva, you can create and sell products like ebooks, templates, or even online courses with almost zero effort. Here's how it works. Use AI to brainstorm ideas or write content, then design something eye-catching in Canva. For example, a 2025 goal planner or a guide to mastering a hobby. Upload it to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, and boom, you've got a digital product that sells itself. The best part? Once it's up, you don't have to lift a finger, except maybe to check your sales. Next up, subscription-based newsletters. Everyone loves exclusive content, right? Platforms like Substack make it ridiculously easy to launch a paid newsletter. Pick a niche you're passionate about, like tech trends, healthy recipes, or personal finance tips, and start writing. Charge $5 to $10 a month per subscriber. With just 200 subscribers, you're pulling in $1,000 a month. And the beauty is, once you've built a solid audience, the income is consistent. Let's move on to renting out stuff you already own. Have you ever thought about how much money your unused gear could make? Sites like Fat Llama let you rent out everything from cameras to lawn equipment. Got a drone collecting dust in your closet? List it for $50 a day. A couple of rentals a week, and you've got a sweet side income without any extra work. It's like having a tiny business that runs itself from your garage. Now this one's for the pet lovers. Pet waste removal subscriptions. I know it sounds gross, but hear me out. This is a booming market. Dog owners hate cleaning up after their pets, and you can charge a subscription fee for a weekly cleanup service. It's simple, scalable, and surprisingly lucrative. Plus, once you've got a few clients, you can hire someone else to do the dirty work while you collect the checks. Here's another gem: content licensing. If you're into photography, videography, or even music production, this one's for you. Upload your work to platforms like Shutterstock or Artlist, and every time someone downloads your content, you get paid. It's a set-it-and-forget-it model that keeps earning even when you're not creating new material. And the best part? Your content can make money for years. For tech-savvy folks, consider building niche websites. These are small, hyper-focused blogs or websites about specific topics, like gluten-free baking or hiking gear reviews. Use AI to generate blog posts, monetize with ads and affiliate links, and watch the income roll in. It takes some upfront work to set up, but once your site gains traction, it's practically hands-off. And finally, renting ad space on your car. Yep, companies like Rapify will pay you to turn your car into a moving billboard. If you're already driving around town, why not make an extra $200 to $500 a month just for having a few decals? It's passive income at its easiest. No meetings, no extra time, just drive like you normally would. So there you have it. 7 new passive income ideas for 2025. From AI-powered digital products to renting ad space on your car, these strategies can help you start earning money without sacrificing all your time. We covered creating digital products, subscription-based newsletters, and even content licensing. So there's something for everyone here. If one of these ideas got you excited, let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. And don't stop here, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big idea. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet. See you in the next one.